In this short video, I'll show you how to make a daily planner in Excel so that you can organize tasks for marketing teams. First, highlight the cell or column that you have the status on, as for me it's this one, which is the first one. Next, at the top, go to the Data tab right here, and at the very right side should be Data Validation. Go ahead and click it. Click it again, this one, the first one, and this tab should appear. Now we need to check a few boxes, but the first one is under Allow. Go ahead and click the drop down and choose List. After that, make sure these two are checked. Now for the source, go ahead and input what status you want them to have. For me, it's pending, a comma, and space. Next is in progress. And finally, when completed, I'll just put completed. Press OK. And there you go, the first cell has the choices now. So what you can do is drag it down to how many times you want in your daily planner, and the other cells will have the choices as well. There you go. Now you know how to make a daily planner in Excel. You can watch this playlist if you ever get stuck with this problem.